hints about Drake for Freedom Street, as Joe looks to the heavens when asked if Cartel can fill the National Stadium.
I'm getting ready to do an interview on the track right now. That place is looking awesome. We're ahead of schedule.
Joe at the National Stadium on Boxing Day as preparations ramp up for Cartel's return gig. And the news just coming in, no Sting.
Boy Joe, Freedom Street, look like you guys flop Sting.
We don't flop anybody. We just do the best we can, and the chips fall where they fall. But, you know, I wish he was in business on that day, because I want everyone to succeed, you know, because we're all in it together, you know. It's unity through music and good vibes, you know, good over evil, and we wish everybody the best, and we're working our butt off right now for Freedom Street. This is mega. This is definitely mega. This is a part that moves from the bottom on up, goes up. And that's a small place where Cartel will be sometimes, and maybe some other solo work. Then these are areas that you can go down to and doing other kinds of things. And then all the way down here to the main lower level of the stage, which means you go all the way around like this, all the way around, so that you can entertain everybody. This is a show where you have to entertain everybody, and not just one set like 180 degrees. You know, this is an opportunity. What's great is stepping in a different direction from Sumfest. That's the sound of money. Money. Boom, boom. We're counting the money, see? Lots of money here, see? Lots of money. 31 years of Sumfest was one thing, and great, and getting better every year that we've been there. And now we're doing something in Kingston. It's a whole other world here in Kingston. And to be able to do something for dancehall, this is the dancehall show of maybe of the decade.
It's a case of it's going to be big, but just how big, the question. Buju Banton staging his return show at the National Stadium in 2019, with Chris Brown, Burna Boy and Kirk Franklin also performing at the venue.
It's a monster. This one is not only for the record books, but I feel, you know, I talk a lot about the biggest festivals in the world, and Coachella is one of them, and there's others as well. And everyone thought that was kind of a joke, you know, but now that what's good about this production and how to do it right is that we have a lot of people working on it internationally, and they have a different attitude. You know, they want everybody to win. It's not about competition. It's really about doing the best you can and bringing unity to the music scene.
Masika is on the bill right now. Did you guys bring him in to boost ticket sales?
No, we didn't bring him in. He came because of his friend, and that's Vybz Kartel and Respect. So he just wants to be given all his love to not only this show, but to the artist himself. When they're on point and feel the love for one another and not the competition with one another, they can move mountains, and we're going to be moving big mountains on this one. Billboard was here on this field with him a couple days ago. They're going to have a big, I think it's a cover story of him in Billboard. I mean, that's as top as you can get. It's the Portmore Empire revisited, along with Skilly Bang and Chronic Law. That person in Canada, can't mention his name, but he'll be here. Freedom Street. The shackles are off. Boom, bang. He's a more mature person. He's still great lyrically. He's got a ton of new songs, and he's got a lot of love in his heart. He's got a fiance. His life has changed, and that's what you're going to see. And if he can change his life from the not so good to the excellent, it means that everybody can do it too. We just have to have more confidence in ourselves.
Is Vybz Kartel going to be able to fill up the National Stadium?
God, will he fill the stadium? Was that a yes? Was that a yes? Well, I can tell you we're in good hands. The tickets are selling well, people are coming, and the stadium is huge. You know, there's 30,000 here in the bleachers. The floor here on the grass is another 11, 12,000. The grandstand has around close to 6,000, 5,300. So it's a lot to fill. You can't miss this one. It's going to be mega. It's going to be a big production. I'm out.